All right. Hey guys, this is Bruce and welcome to ConvoCourses. And so I've been been very candid on the last few podcasts. And what's going on is I'm about to go to another job, and I thought it might be a good idea for me to talk about it to give people a real understanding what's going on, outside of all the tech bro, I don't know, narratives or just people trying to sell a course or something. This is real. I just wanted to give you a real take on it. It's one of the things I like to see. One of the things that I look for when I'm looking for content is sometimes you need some like a real take on things, whether it's finances or your life or whatever. In this case, my career. This is real. I'm going through a transition where I'm about to get another job. So a couple weeks ago I talked about like why I was gonna do it. Um, what's going down. I talked about like some of the signs of that I'm seeing. Haven't done this for many years. Like I'm seeing some of the signs that it's time for me to get another job, and like the organizations, their goals are not aligning with my own personal goals anymore. Just silly things are starting to happen. They're starting to let go of good people, and I'm not sure why. And the people below are not sure like why. I mean, well, you're sure why, but it's like a political reason. So all that stuff's happening. So now I'm like, okay, I can see it's time to go. It's time for me to like put some effort into my search because my resume is always out there, but now I'm like really putting effort in. So what I've done is I reached out to some of my old coworkers. I reached out to like my old work that I didn't mind, that was great, working with them, and they've been contacting me back. So it's happening. So far, just to give you an overview, I've already had one interview. Yes, this is real. I've already had one interview, and and we'll see. Like it's like the first of like 3 or 4 interviews that I got to do with this company, and I'm looking around and I'm looking at the job market, and I'm noticing like a few things have changed that are significant. Like I can see a gigantic shift happening in the market. It's you don't I'm having to use different techniques to get jobs, to even get seen, because there's so many people flooding the market. There's so much competition now. It's so the landscape has changed. I've noticed it's you can't just throw a resume out there. When I first started doing this, all you needed was a good ATS style resume, some keywords on it, put it on some sites, and you were good. Now I can see that the landscape is changing in a couple different ways. So I think I just want to tell you guys about that, what I'm seeing. Um, I didn't prepare any notes or anything. This is just like stuff. This is real world. Like in the last couple weeks, I've seen as I've been getting back in the job market. And I'll just let you guys know what I'm seeing. Hey, Larry, how you doing? Um, so yeah, I do have some stuff going on. I do have some irons in the fire that align with my goals, and I'll keep you guys in the loop on like what's happening in real time. This is real. This is not me trying to sell some stuff. This is like I'm really looking for a job. And Larry says, "Hey Bruce, nice to hear about the potential gig. Is this a stateside position or are you looking abroad?" I'm not going to go to abroad yet. Um, that's maybe future. I'm trying to prepare myself to eventually go abroad. And long term goals, something I've never shared on this channel or other channels, is that, or I don't think I have, is that I think my retirement's going to be outside of the U.S. because one just between me and you, I just think that there's no political will to fix the main problem in the U.S. There hasn't been. It doesn't matter what administration it is. Doesn't matter your political leaning. And when I mention it to you, you're gonna know exactly what I'm talking. You're gonna be like, "Yep." There's nobody's trying to change this, and regardless of you whether you agree or disagree with the president, or this president or others, this is something nobody's trying to change in the US, and that's the cost of living. There's no political will to change it or fix it or anything. And I just don't see how I could actually live here comfortably, right? As a normal dude who hasn't made a multi-million-dollar product or service. I'm just a normal guy. So like, what am I? I got to realistically look myself in the mirror and say, okay, well, what are you gonna do, dude? Like, you're gonna be old, too old to, you're not gonna want to work anymore. After couple decades, maybe a decade and a half. That's all I got left. And what am I gonna do? So I don't think I'm gonna live here. I think ultimately I'm gonna retire. I'm gonna be in another country. Um, I'll make income. What I'll do is I'll establish some income that can follow me anywhere, and then I'll just go to a place that has a lower cost of living, and that's what I think that's my goal. Unless there's something drastic happens in the U.S., which I don't see it, man. I mean, since I've been here, the cost of living has gone up and up and up and up, and there's no like they're not trying to fix it. They're not trying to. They're throwing people pennies to work. They're getting rid of pension. You got to rely on a 401k that completely relies on the stock market. Um, and I've seen some people do really well with that, but me, I don't have that. Like, I'm not trying to. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be my last goal, my long term goal right now. One of them is to probably have to live abroad. I hope that I can do something here to where I can stay. I love the U.S. I love like what the idea of the US, but I don't this is my home, but I just don't see them fixing this main problems. And I've got to be real with myself. As much as I want the US to win, I don't think the cost of living is allowing us to win. And I don't think it's going to get better. And I hate to be be negative about it, but I don't see us fixing that problem because doesn't seem like we want to fix it as a country. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe in the future, maybe future generations, maybe Gen Alpha will want to fix it, but I just don't. Right now, the way we've been going, I just don't know, man.